In this session, I am going to explain you how the shift lever switch working, and it is controlled with ECU TCM control. Shift lever switch being linked with the selector lever. The switch charges selector lever position into electric signals and send them to the controller. The contact points of this switch for P and N ranges are also connected with the starting motor circuit. So, when the selector lever is shifted to the P or N position, the contact points for P and N range are connected and cause the starting motor to operate by turn the starting motor switch on. When the selector lever is in any other position than P and N, the switch remains off, and therefore the starting motor cannot be operated. This is the engine control be started. Also, as its contact point for P1 range is connected with the back up light circuit, reverse, only when the selector lever is shifted to reverse range R range, the contact point contacts to light the backup light. One more thing very important, that is mounted inside transmission. I have explained you 3-speed transmission multi-type clutch type. The speed sensor consists of a magnetic core with magnet and coil. It is mounted on transmission case with nearly 6 to 0.6 so some size of core and countershaft gear tooth. While the countershaft rotates, magnetic flux is cut by gear tooth. Thus a pulse is generated in the sensor coil according to the speed, and then the pulse is transmitted to auto transmission control module as a speed sensor signal. One more important thing is parking lock pole. That is very important because frequently that is using in automatic transmission. So there is a possibility of worn out parts, especially sleeve. There are so many parts in parking pole. A lever with many washers and linkages, and that is almost in pan cover side, and this is using for parking purpose.